All right, everyone, good morning. It is July 18th. It is pre-market right now. It is about 4:15 a.m. New York Eastern time as I'm doing the video, and I'm going to show you in this video stocks of a lifetime. I mean it, these are stocks of a lifetime. Some of them not to be held for long, and others greatest opportunity in my opinion. And we're going to look back and say, well, we used to have a chance. Something like when Bitcoin, when it was at one point, well, it was like in 2020. Yes, I think in 2020 it was like $4,000 bucks, and then it went all the way up to 60,000. Anyways, guys, now we're not, it's a stock, it's not a crypto, but Bionexus Gene Lab Corporation, ticker symbol BGLC. This is not the stock you want to hold for long. Trust me, the company sucks, but this is an uplisting that is going public. Supposedly today, it's been delayed many times already, so we'll see if it ends up going today. But supposedly it's going today. BGLC, the Network One Financial is the underwriter that's behind this. Network One Financial is the underwriter that brought many IPOs in the past that exploded. The vast majority of them exploded big time. I can think of one or two minimum that went over 1,600 bucks, and those were IPOs that you could have gotten for $4 a share, and within just a week they went to $1,600, $1,500 a share, right? So everyone's super excited about this one. I'm not saying it's going to 1,600 or 2,000, but the expectations are very, very high on this one. Now, so BGLC, it's going to start, if it does go public today, it will start trading with regular market hours, right? So be on the lookout for that. It was available for pre-order even yesterday. You could have pre-ordered this on Weibo, or you could have bought the OTC, the over-the-counter market shares. Now there will be a reverse split before it goes public to bring that price that you see of 99 cents to bring it closer towards the $4 a share, which would be equal with the pre-order that was available. But either way, I still believe it's going to explode way past 8, 10, 15 bucks in my opinion. So people are, I think those who got shares already in this, in my opinion, are set to make money. The next thing you want to look at, and don't let fear get to you. I'm not saying that you should buy, but don't let fear get to you, because with fear and emotions, you're never going to trade right. AT&T, Frontier, who else? Data Systems. What about Verizon, right? So AT&T, ticker symbol T. Frontier, ticker symbol FYBR. Data Systems, ticker symbol TDS. Verizon, ticker symbol VZ. They're plunging. They're going down. They've been going down, right? AT&T is at what, 18, 20-year lows. Verizon is at 18-year, 20-year lows. That's insane. So that's opportunities of a lifetime, because Verizon is a great company. The reason they're going down is because of a recent concern about all the wiring that has been laid all over the country for the past 50, 60, 70 years and so on, and that it is covered with lead sheathing, and that's bad for the environment, they say, and so on. Well, because these companies pretty much own all this wiring, their stock is going down. So copper network deployed with possible lead sheathing could be a significant percentage of the legacy network deployed nationally, with various exposures for each firm. And for that reason, you see the stocks are plunging big time. But this is one of the stupidest reasons to fear the stock itself. When Peter Lynch once said, and it's an interview you can see on YouTube, that institutional investors are a blessing for retail investors, he went on to say and explain that it's because institutional investors, he said, will push prices to abnormal highs and abnormal lows. In this case, we have the abnormal low, and that is a blessing for retail investors, because we have the opportunity to get into a company like Verizon Communications, which is trading right now at 18-year lows, and it gives a great dividend. And this is the max lifetime chart that you see. Either way you look at it, if you've been holding for years and years and years, you're most likely up, and it's going to rebound, right? It can't. I mean, this is just, in my opinion, this is an opportunity. I don't fear this. I'm super excited. This is a blessing in my opinion. So I don't know. Check it out if you want to. That's another opportunity of a lifetime in my opinion. Now we have some other opportunities here with the earnings coming up. And so we had earnings on Monday. Here's the Tuesday earnings, the Wednesday earnings, Thursday and Friday. Someone asked me, what do you think would do well in the earnings? Well, I think Ally Financial is going to do well. I believe that NASDAQ is going to do well. I believe that Bank of America will do well, and I believe that American Airlines right here is going to do well. Capital One is going to do well, in my opinion. Nokia is going to do well, right? So these are companies right off the bat that I can see. I'm sure there'll be other ones that I believe are easy, in my opinion, predictable companies that are going to do well. I think Huntington also will do well. Also, I'm leaning towards Autoliv. That's a good one also. So interesting, very exciting, the earnings, and I think they're going to be in the majority of the earnings here that you see. The companies are going to have positive earnings, I think, and it's going to be a good earnings quarter, in my opinion. The other thing you might want to look at, now this isn't I shouldn't have put, it's not an opportunity of a lifetime, all right? This is not an opportunity of a lifetime, but maybe an opportunity for a day trade. It's an ultimate low floater, and this company just came out with news. MYNZ Biomed announces collaboration with Fujin Genetics in Israel. Nothing big of a big news, let's say, but it is a small floater, and maybe they'll push it. It was at 456 that it closed yesterday. It went to 457 in after hours, and like I said, because of the news that you see here, and that it is a low floater, ticker symbol MYNZ, it might actually be a good day trade. 457, if it stays there in pre-market, might be a good entry, in my opinion. I think it's going to be a good entry, or 448 would be a good entry. I'm not saying you should do this, but I'm just thinking for myself here. How about Fisker joins Tesla, BYD in battle for slice of India's EV market? And you know what? Fisker's been going up this the past one day, and if you look at even the past 5 days, it's been going up. In fact, on my Discord, we talked about Fisker just recently when it was at $6, so it's already up at $6.85. If you want to join my Discord, the link will be in the comment section below. So I leave you with that. I think that those were plenty of stocks that might draw your attention and you might want to do due diligence in. You don't have to, but I just want to provide some information for you in pre-market. I wish you all the best. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit the like button and take care.